iCloud storage can be very expensive, and regardless of what tier you have, I personally have the 2 TB tier. You may eventually run out of space, or you may just want to get away from Apple eventually. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to back up to one of the most affordable and the most common devices, the USB flash drive. And it's very simple. This method works for pretty much any model. I'm more so focusing on the USB-C variant, so this method will definitely work for the iPhone 15 series, 16 series, this is my 16 Pro Max, 17 and the upcoming 18 series. Before I continue though, just let you know this will be part of a series. I will be showing how to back up to the SD card next in my next video. I'll also be showing you how to back up to SSDs and even a mechanical hard drive. Now let's jump straight into it. Before we get going, make sure your flash drive is in the correct format. It should either be in the Apple APFS format or the exFAT format. I personally recommend the exFAT because that works on both Windows and Apple devices. So that's more of a universal format. Make sure you do that first to ensure everything works smoothly. And for this video, I'm using a hybrid flash drive here that has both a USB-C and a USB-A section. Most people have this variant, so you will also most likely need a USB-A to USB-C adapter for the newer iPhones, as I mentioned before. And if you're running a case such as me, you may also need just a straight up USB-C extender of some sort, all of which are pretty affordable. And let's just slip this on and get into the phone. Now, if you're new to this, also in connecting your flash drive for the first time, you want to come into here, the Files app. And this is something like a file explorer that you may see on your Windows PC or your Apple computer as well, your Mac. And here under locations, you will see the drive populate. This one is called Max 1. You will see all of your files and folders that you've saved across devices because it's just like any other file explorer. I'm using this test folder here for this example. And let's get straight to the Photos app. Now, what you want to do is press select here in the top right hand corner, and you can select them individually. However, my personal way of doing it is just simply swiping and coming down. You can select as many as you so desire, but I do recommend that you do a few at a time, especially if you have large files and longer videos. Do those individually. It's a bit tedious, but if you want to make sure that your memories are backed up properly, that's the best way to do it. Or do say 50 to 100 photos or so at a time. Just to be sure. You can do more, but I'm just trying to, do this whole thing safely. And you have two ways of doing this. You either hold down everything here, use your other finger, come over to the drive and let them go. But if you're not so dexterous, you can come down here to the left hand corner, press that share button and just look for save to files. You press that, of course. It took me directly to the test folder, but coming right out here, you go to locations yet again. You want to select the appropriate drive, look for the folder that you want, and then you press save. And there you go. Now it should do it. You see everything there populating there. Bam, bam, bam. And then once it's done, it takes you right back to the Photos app here. So that was pretty easy, and that's pretty much how it is done. Now you're not done yet. If you really want to save space, you want to come back out, go down, and you look for recently deleted. Now, of course, you'll need to unlock it with your Face ID or your PIN. And here I have a bunch of stuff here. Now, each file has a ticker on it. It goes from the most recently deleted to the ones that are about to be permanently deleted. It keeps them in here for about 30 days, but if you want to permanently clean up your space immediately, you simply just delete them manually. Of course, you select whatever you want. You can just drag across and down, and then you simply press the 3 dots and delete forever, or you can recover them if you made a mistake or you didn't realize you didn't back up something. And then you can come right back out, come into files here, and as you can see in test, everything is here. That's about it. In the next video, of course, I'm going to show you how to do this using a SD card. There are a couple of caveats to consider with that, so look forward to it. So thanks again for tuning in, peeps. You don't know, I'll appreciate a like, subscribe, and of course, hitting that little notification bell so you know when the next video is out. See you in the next one. Peace out and take care.